Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I recently did a review of gel polish from Born Pretty. They sent it to me as a prayer package, and after that review they said they liked what I did and they decided to send me another set of gel polish so I could review it for them again. I received it from a post office recently. I decided to do the unboxing for you people to see it and to swatch them. So I got these 5 colors from them. No, it's not because I'm receiving this as a PR package as I'm saying this, but this is one of the best product I've used since I'm working as a nail technician. Because I'm based in Africa and the kind of products that are available to us are limited, So I've used other products. The first time I used the Born Pretty gel polish was the first time they sent it to me. This is the second time. After I got the first one from them, I went to AliExpress to get some colors, about 30 colors, which I'm still expecting to be delivered. So after the first review I did, they sent this one to me again, and I decided to show you guys. So in this product, I received 2 reflective glitters gel polish and 3 regular gel polish from them. So one of the regular polish I got from them is also a glitter gel polish, and I'm trying to show you guys the colors. All the colors that were sent to me are beautiful colors. In fact, all the colors they have are beautiful, because I couldn't stop myself from shopping for more colors when I saw their gel polish on AliExpress. So I'm going to be using this to do nails for my clients later, or to create a beautiful set so I can work with them perfectly well. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing a swatching of the gel polish I got, and I'm going to be talking about their consistency. Kindly watch this video till the end to see how beautiful these gel polishes look on nail tips. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abibola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all, so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also let me know your thoughts about this product I'm reviewing today. If you have used their products before, or you feel about their products, and if you actually love their products. So this is the green reflective glitter gel polish. It is green, but I think it has this purple or black base. It's a very beautiful one. This is just the first coat. Then this second one is the purple reflective glitter gel polish. This also has a black base, and it is also a very beautiful color. I'm going to be doing a coat of each first. I'll show you guys what it looks like, then I'll go back to do the second coat. So this is a regular polish. I think from the last one they sent me, I think I have something like this, or something very close to this. I'm going to be checking it later to see if they're actually the same. These gel polish are actually very well pigmented. This is just a coat, as you can see. I think one coat is enough. There's this English I want to use. I don't know. The English has disappeared. Okay, so I remember the English now. It is coverage. The coverage is perfect, because just the coat of the regular gel polish is all you need. It gives the exact color of the gel polish. So when you go into the second one, it just darkens a bit. So this is very good. As you can see, this is just a coat of it, and it's well pigmented, and the coverage is perfect. So this is the last of the gel polish I got, and this is the regular polish, but it's a glitter regular polish, not a reflective glitter gel now. This also is very beautiful red glitter gel polish. I love it. I don't think I have anything like this. The others I had before had more bulky glitter. This has very tiny glitter particles, as you can see, and it is beautiful. So this is what they look like at the end of the day. As you can see, I'm yet to add it top coat, just the plain gel polish, and I noticed that they are not they are not sticky, you know. They don't leave a very plenty, or they don't leave plenty sticky residue, you know, on them, unlike the other regular products, gel polish products, that when you're done, when you touch them, they'll be very sticky. This does not leave a sticky residue after curing. As you can see, it looks as if I've added the top coat already, of which I have not added any top coat. This is a teal blue, and it's very beautiful as well. As you can see, just a coat of this teal blue and the other nude. So as you can see, I'm just touching it for you guys to see that they are not sticky. They don't leave a sticky residue after curing. So that's that. So I'm going to be adding a second coat of the glitter gel polish of the camera, so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the second coat. So this is what the second coat of the glitter gel polish looks like. As you can see, either the first coat or the second coat are beautiful. You can use it any which way you want to use them. They are well pigmented, especially the reflective glitter gel polish. They are so beautiful. So thank you guys for sending this to me. Thank you Born Pretty for sending this product to me. I love them. They are very beautiful. I'm going to be leaving the link to this product in the description box in case you are interested in getting these products. I want to assure you that they have more beautiful colors on their website. I've gone there, I've done some shopping as well, and I'm going to be receiving them very soon as well. So these are the beautiful colors. I love them. I already added the top coat. You can see they are very shiny. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share to anyone that you think might be interested in knowing more about Born Pretty products. I'll also be leaving the link to their products, like I said, in the description box. Till next time, everyone. Bye.